Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thank you for watching another episode here at Investing with All I See is W. Today, I wanted to make this video to share with you additional tickers that I feel can definitely add value to your investment portfolio. But before I begin, I'd like to inform you that all the information I'll be sharing with you should be used as guidance information only. And anytime when you make an investment in a company, please do your own research. Now let's get started. Now, ticker number one I wanted to go through is Coca-Cola Company. What is so unique about this company, right? Well, if you're talking about wanting to grow your income by having multiple streams of income, this is one way to build on your passive income. And what I know about Coca-Cola Company, the ticker offers a dividend yield of 3.26%. That's pretty high compared to all other companies. Now, the good thing is you're investing in a high quality company where there is such an increased demand for just beverages produced by Coca-Cola. That's why I feel like this is a safe zone investment if you're trying to build on multiple streams of income. So for example, gaining on positive proceeds just with respect to time, when you can build on passive income, and Coca-Cola is one solid company that can fit that category. Now, next up I wanted to share with you is Crispr Therapeutics by the ticker CRSP. Today the share price had gone up 5%. I feel like just with this current market, you can definitely play short-term trading on this company because previously it just shot down, and I feel like the share price is good. Let's say if you're monitoring and you see momentum gains, then that means you can just ride the wave with this company and definitely gain on the positive proceeds, given that the share price had recently taken a plummet. Okay, now next up I wanted to switch over is Altimmune by the ticker ALT. This is a company that is working on an intranasal potential COVID-19 vaccine where the mode of delivery is through your nose, and current share price is hovering around the low $11, where the prior resistance hovered around the mid 30s. So the question is, when will this company hover back up into the mid 15s, $20? I feel like that time can come possibly in this quarter, end of year, where the share price can definitely gain by like 2 or 3 fold. So that's why I feel like Altimmune is definitely a great opportunity to invest in. Now, next up I wanted to shift over is to Livent Corporation by the ticker LTHM, and today the share price has shot up close to 6%. And what is so unique about this company is that we all know there's just an increased demand for lithium related products, and what I like so much about this company is the price to earnings ratio. It has a PE ratio of 102, and that is significantly high compared to just benchmark category in this field. And the fact that it has a high PE ratio, then that should reflect the increase in the share price. So I would suggest just continuing to monitor LTHM. Next up I wanted to share with you is Aemetis by the ticker Amtx. Now today it has gained on a solid increase of 11%, and the question is, will this company continue to gain? I feel like it can definitely continue to bull run up, and we're continuing to see increased market sentiment and increased volume in this company. So that's why I feel like it's great to monitor this company, and then you can see whether or not this would be a good investment opportunity for you. Now, next up I want to share with you is Bitcoin. And surprisingly, we all know that Bitcoin, its prior resistance is in the 17,000 per Bitcoin, right? Well, now it's hovering close to like 13,000, so close to 4,000. And I recall taking my profits from Southwest Airlines many years ago, like 2015, and then I put it into the Bitcoin when it was hovering up. I'm still in the negative, but I feel like once it reaches up to like a few more gains, then I'll be in the break-even point. And it's more of like just set it and forget it type of approach, not really even looking at it and just letting it just be there, and just letting it grow. That's how I see it with Bitcoin there. But it's just a small little investment. It's not like a big type of investment, so I'm not worried about it. But overall, I feel like the bull run is coming for Bitcoin as well, right? Now, last up I wanted to share with you is iBio. I like iBio because this company is a plant-based vaccine company that is working on various vaccines for respiratory diseases, one for COVID-19, and then you have it for other things where there's two vaccines for the COVID. The iBio 200, which is designed as a virus-like particle, VLP program, and there's also the iBio 201, which is designed as its proprietary technology, lichen protein-based vaccine. And I foresee that these two pre-approved drug products will be entering phase 1 clinical trials once we hear that the company has submitted its investigational new drug application to the FDA, and the FDA has accepted that submission, where now the company can start phase 1 clinical trials. So I feel like once that information is released, then the share price can definitely start gaining back up. And what's so unique about this company is that it's able to scale up its operations, where I know that it can definitely scale up by 600 million vaccines annually to produce and supply to the global needs for clinical unmet needs, especially for the COVID-19. And I just feel like, with plant-based technology, given its fast farm technology, it can definitely add value to our society in advancing healthcare with just having the right vaccines in place. And I think iBio will continue to grow, and it had just brought in 2 new leaders, one on the clinical side and one on the financial side. So I feel like, at least for the financial side, the money burn rate will be contained and investments will be allocated where the company needs the funds so that it can definitely grow from a business standpoint. And for the clinical side, I'm sure that the new leader will eventually be able to guide and lead the clinical program into the right direction, so that there will be an increased probability of getting the iBio 200 and iBio 201 accepted and approved through phase 1, 2, and 3 clinical trials to assure safety and efficacy of the vaccines. So that's iBio, and I feel like current share price right now hovering at the threshold $1.92 range per share. This is definitely a great buying opportunity. And once you invest, and let's say if it reaches its prior resistance of $7, that's like a 2-3-fold increase. But to me, I'm not making any transactions until it reaches my price point of $30 share price. Okay, and I've been getting a lot of questions about when this will happen and all that, but my price point is $30, and I'm just going to leave it at that. That's how it's going to roll. All right, well, thanks again for watching another episode here at Investing with All I See Is W, and I hope that these tickers added value to your current thinking, and I hope we all gain on positive proceeds. Let's win, guys.